Now, today in the industry, we're seeing an unprecedented change that's occurring. With the advent of IP technologies, the advent of competitive forces in all aspects of the industry, it's really driving the industry towards reinventing itself. Today we're really seeing the movement from the digital era of TV to the new internet era of TV. Our service provider customers tell us that the biggest challenges they're faced with today are their desire to more rapidly evolve and deliver new services, to deliver services and content in a more personalized fashion to meet the needs of the consumer, to be able to deliver content in a multi-screen environment so the consumer can consume the content across or on whatever device is relevant for the consumer at that time, and finally to be able to deliver those services in a differentiated fashion so that the operator can continue to be competitive in the very competitive environment that they find themselves in. So today we're announcing the Motorola Medios Services Management Suite of software solutions. This is a broad portfolio of software-based solutions that we'll provide to the service provider customers to enable them to more easily and readily ingest content from a multitude of different sources, be able to store that content in an effective manner and in formats that are suitable for distribution to a multi-screen environment. In storing this content, you'll be able to maintain relevant information, metadata information that can then be transmitted with the content to the different devices that it's going to be consumed from. Another key element of the Medios Services suite of solutions is the merchandising tools that we provide. As you think about a multi-screen environment, it really presents the service provider with a lot of options and more flexibility in how they market services to the consumer. Motorola's Medios system really provides some very strong merchandising tools, everything from storefronts that enable presentation of the available content to the actual authentication and authorization schemes that are needed to be able to deliver the content to a device and ensure that the subscribers that are actually authorized for the content are able to get access to that content. A very broad portfolio of tools that they can use to be able to help manage devices, be they set-top boxes that are sitting in front of a TV, or whether they're mobile devices, smartphones themselves that are being used to consume content. It's going to be increasingly important for the service provider that's delivering content in a multi-screen environment to ensure that the delivery of the content is done in a quality and reliable fashion in a more proactive manner. Gone are the days where you want to rely on the subscriber calling in to say they have an issue. You want to be able to more proactively predict and determine where you might have challenges. In the Medios solution, we have a portfolio of device and element management capability. So we'll be demonstrating the whole portfolio of Medios service enablement solutions at the Cable Show next week in Los Angeles. I really encourage you all to stop by and take a look at what Motorola is doing to help our service providers bridge the transition from the digital era of TV to the internet era of TV.